How to post multiple photos on Instagram story with one continuous song. For that, open up Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. Go to the plus icon at the top left corner, and from the bottom left corner, click on photos, and here you will find a stack of photos, which is to select multiple photos. Click on it, which is just below college, and select the photos that you want to upload, and then click on the arrow at the bottom right corner, and then adjust your photos, and at the top bar you will find an icon for music. Click on it and click on any song that you want, and then click on the arrow icon, and from here you can select the part of the song that you want and click on done. Then from the bottom left corner, click on next photo and do the same with the music icon, but this time make sure you know the ending part of your previous story so that you can continue with the music, and click on done. And now you can go with the button at the bottom right corner to post your story. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.